Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will make a flower pot from cement that is cool, sturdy, and definitely very aesthetic for your home decoration. The process is very easy. The ingredients are simple and you can create the results as you wish. Let's just get started. Pour liquid cement onto the surface of the sand that we have formed like a pot. Pour it evenly so that the sand that forms is no longer visible. Flowers are one of women's favorite plants, and there are quite a few men who like flowers. By watching this video, you can make this flower pot at home. Pour the cement into the bucket and add water little by little. Stir the mixture until it is even. The smoother and more even the mixture is, the better the pot will be. After that, round the cement mixture using your hands and then arrange it on the mold one by one until it is neatly arranged. Then sprinkle the cement mixture evenly on top so that all the cement balls are covered. Then make a hole in the bottom so that when we water the flowers, the water doesn't stagnate in the pot. After the cement has hardened a little, brush it evenly so that the pot that has been formed looks neat and attractive. After we brush it evenly, wait for 24 hours for the cement to dry. After the cement is dry, lift the flower pot slowly so that all the sand in the mold comes out. Then lift the flower pot onto the table so we can paint it. Here I provide a base coat, which is white. Apply the paint evenly until the paint is dry. After the white paint dried, I then applied blue paint, only giving blue spots on the corners of the pot. And this is the result. The result is very beautiful and pretty. Very easy, isn't it?